Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to delete a channel on Slack. So basically, just open up the the browser and just follow the instructions. And if you are using the PC, go ahead to your desktop, open the channel that you would like to delete, click the channel name on the conversation header, and then click settings and then delete the channel. And then select delete this channel and confirm, and then check the box next to yes, permanently delete channel, and then click delete channel. So if you want to get more visual tutorial, you could just see it from here. Basically, you will get a tutorial, so you can just open the channel that you would like to archive, right? If you want to tutorial for your phone, open the channel that you would like to archive, tap the channel name in the conversation header, and then tap delete that channel, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you.